Hello, I'm Ollie,
And I'm Adi.
and this is the Saline loss aversion experiment.
Loss aversion refers to people's tendency to strongly prefer avoiding losses to acquiring gains.
We will be going to 3 different groups of people and giving a different question about this hand-painted vase. One classroom will be asked, if you owned the hand-painted vase, at what price will you sell it for? Another class will be asked, at what price would you buy the hand-painted vase? A third group, which is the control group, will be asked, what price is this hand-painted vase worth?
Due to the loss aversion phenomenon, people will value what they lose greater than what they may gain. Therefore, we predict that the group selling the vase will give a higher value than the group buying the vase, with the control group in between the two.
Alright, we're about to enter the classroom that's selling the object. Let's go.
Recording.
Alright, we have 750, 12, 323, that's kind of low, 10, 60, oh wait, no, it's 999. 150, 40, that's either 75 or 15. Okay, so now we're going to ask the next class how much they would buy the vase for.
Now, do you play Madden for this picture?
Just like,
What is that vase made out of?
Glass.
Could you hand paint it?
No, or else the value would be much lower.
alright, for the next class, students wrote down $5, $10, $15, $1, 2 packs of Trident gum, or Trident layers, which is about $1.60, $2, $3.50, $10.
Controller.
How much do you think this is worth?
Just write
it down? Yeah.
Because I'm
This is the histogram for the buy group. As you can see, most of the values are between $0 and $20, with many of those being less than $10. Very few of the values are greater than $30.
This is the histogram for the sell group. Many more of the values are greater than $20, with a good number of the values greater than $40. It's clear that the sell group have higher values than the buy group.
This is the histogram for the control group. The values tend to be between those of the 2 other groups.
This bar graph shows the mean and median values of the buy, sell, and control groups. The buy group has a mean of about $13 and a median of about $10. The sell group has a mean of about $32 and a median of about $20. But the mean and median of the control group is about $20. The average value of the sell group is about 2.42 times greater than that of the buy group.
After analyzing the results, the hypothesis can be said to be supported. The sell group, on average, gave a value of 2.42 times greater than the buy group, a significant difference in the results.
The reason for this discrepancy is due to the loss aversion effect. Those who were asked to sell the vase gave a higher price because they valued what they already had greater than the buy group who did not own the vase. People who lose the item of value will lose more satisfaction than someone who receives it acquires. Therefore, they will value the item at a higher price.
A confounding variable in this experiment was the age difference between the 2 experimental groups. The buy group was older than the sell group, giving them more experience with the pricing of objects. Another confounding variable is the type of class each member of the experimental group were in.
The results may not be generalized to the rest of the population without further testing because the racial, cultural, and economic makeup of the subjects do not represent the general population. Saline High School is more homogeneous than a truly representative sample. Also, the age distribution of the subjects is younger than that of the general population.
After analyzing the results, the After analyzing the results, the hypothesis can be said to be.
The reason for this discrepancy. You started laughing too.